What makes monkey branchers come back? I know that right now you say there is no way that they're coming back. They cheated on me, they moved with this other person, and they look happily ever after on social media. They are not coming back, but they most probably come back. 90% of them coming back. Now, I know that because I am coaching hundreds and thousands of people about of monkey branching and how to overcome it. And they always tell me, my ex came back, my ex came back. So this video is a prevention for when they come back. You need to know what to do. You need to know why they're coming back, and you gotta prepare yourself. You got to prepare yourself because they will try to manipulate you into taking them back. And if you make these horrible mistakes of taking them back, you will get hurt again. And the second time, it will be even worse. Much worse than what you're currently feeling, multiplied by 1,000. And this is what you're going to feel. So I want to protect you, but you got to watch this video until the end and follow the instructions. And that's it. I'm Coach Goldman, your relationship and breakup coach. And monkey branches often, and I would say like 90%, they come back because when I coach you guys, I follow up with you and you send me messages. They came back. Now they come back for a mix of emotional, practical, and ego-driven reasons, and it's rarely because they suddenly realize you were the one. They don't realize that. It once they did whatever they did, they just completely destroyed the entire relationship, and they don't see you as the one. They will see you as someone. They will come back for something, but you're not the one for them 100%. Now, number one is their new branch didn't deliver, and I have 6 things. Number 5 is very important. Number one is their new branch didn't deliver it. The reality hits. The new partner they swung to doesn't live up to the fantasy. The novelty wears off very quickly with monkey branching, very, very quickly. And the same issues they had with you and themselves resurface. They didn't change. They didn't take time to change. They didn't take time to heal, to draw conclusions from the breakup, and they will perpetuate the same behaviors in this next relationship for sure. So, and you are here, you're learning, you're growing, you're healing. That's different. For example, they left for someone more exciting, but now this person is just normal. It's like, oh, okay, just another person. When the infatuation phase ends, they just see their new supply, the new partner, as just another person. And when the novelty phase, they get bored, and this is when they search for new. Or this is where they search for you back, because all of a sudden you're exciting again. You're exciting because right now they probably saw that you changed. They feel different. They feel different about you. They forgot what you taste like, what you smell like, and they want another hit. Don't give them this hit. Give them a hit with the back of your hand. Just, slap. Number 2, they miss the comfort and stability. Even if they were bored or restless in your relationship, your presence offers emotional safety. When things get rough with the new partner, they crave stability again. And all of you guys that got monkey branched, I know you're a people pleaser, anxious, and just a person that is very pleasing, very stable. Now, this is one of the reasons that you got monkey branched, by the way. And I'm a no bullshit kind of coach. I will tell you what you need to hear to heal, not what you want to hear to pay me. And I know that this is not something that you really want to hear, that I call you weak or anxious. But this is just what happened. And it happened because you were that. And I was too. When I was monkey branched, I was weak. I was anxious. I was all these things. So it's nothing that is against you personally. It's something that you just need to understand. So they miss the comfort. You are comfortable. You're not very argumentative. You are just safe. And even probably when they left you, you even wanted them back. You were willing to take them back, and you might even say that. But you can't. and they will crave this stability again, don't give it to them. They're not worthy of it. Why would you give something to someone who is not worthy of it? They betrayed you. Do I need to go into this story again? That they betrayed you, that they cheated on you, they was physical with someone else. They're willing to paint the picture for you, so you get that this person is not worthy of you. You don't deserve someone who comes back. You deserve someone who never leaves. So please respect yourself. But in order for you to truly respect yourself, because you didn't respect yourself with this, you accepted unacceptable behaviors. This is why we're here. This is why. Now I want you to take this a step further and heal correctly. This is why I'm always offering you the Rise of the Phoenix and my online healing coaching program. And now I'm offering it for only $37 for a limited amount of time. So take it. You got to heal correctly. You got to draw the conclusions. You cannot repeat the same cycle again. And in order for you to be strong for where they come back, you got to fall in love with yourself. And you fall in love with yourself in the repair process after a breakup. The repair process is getting even professional help or my program. And the reason that I'm saying that you need to get something is because only YouTube videos are simply not enough. When it comes to monkey branching, just YouTube videos are not enough, because there is a lot of information here. After my video, you probably watch someone else's video, and I don't know what they say. And if you feel my word, and if you see that I'm speaking to your heart, you need to get my program, because it's not about the money. By the way, even if people that can't afford it sometimes send me an email, they can't afford it, I give it for free from time to time. If it makes sense and if it's justifiable, I will give it for free, because I want you guys to heal. It's not just about the money, but you need to pay attention. You pay with your attention. You need to pay with your attention, and it costs something, and it's not that a lot of money. But anyways, I'm digressing, because I really want you guys to heal and have a structure. YouTube is not a structure that heals you. It's a structure that informs you, so you get knowledge. Now, with the knowledge, if you then don't take action, you don't turn the knowledge into wisdom. And accumulated knowledge without action, not being backed by action, causes frustration. And once you start being frustrated, that's it. Now you're frustrated, and frustration causes you suffering, unnecessary suffering. This is why I want to help you with all of these things, so you don't make these mistakes. I've made them for you, so you don't need to make them. That's all I'm going to say about this. Number 3, why they come back. Their ego needs validation. If their new relationship ends or struggles, it's not if, it's when, they often want to prove that they can still get you. It's not love. It's about reassuring themselves that they're still wanted. And if they come, it's not if, when they come back, this is just the time. Just understand this. You're the rebound of the rebound. Meaning, you weren't good enough. They went with someone else. They weren't good enough. And then they came back to you, but you weren't good enough in the first place for them. I'm not saying they're not good enough as a person, but for them. So what changed? And if you didn't change, you will take them back and you will get hurt again. As I said, the second time around will be much more painful, because you didn't learn. God gave you an opportunity. Actually, when they monkey wrench on you, this is just a confirmation that they're not the right person for you. It's a confirmation from the Lord. It says, this is not the right person for you. That's it. But if you don't listen and you make the same mistake again, God will make sure it will hurt you way worse the second time. And maybe then you will listen. But I'm here to tell you this so you don't need to go through this. I want to save you pain. Number 4, they romanticize the past. By the way, people sometimes tell me that they didn't like my channel when I talk about never take an ex back. They hated actually my channel because they wanted to take their ex back. They took their ex back, and then they came back to my channel because they realized that they made a mistake. Don't be one of these people that watch my channel and then just unsubscribe because I'm telling you not to take your ex back, and where there is other channels that say, let me show you how to take your ex back, and you're tempted to do that. And then you take them back, and then you come back to my channel. So let me save you this round trip. Stay here. Don't take them back. Thank you. Number 4, like I said, it's they romanticize the past. After time passes, they start forgetting the conflicts and remembering only the good parts. Loneliness or disappointment makes the old memories feel sweeter. With time, they will feel kind of like what you're feeling. You're now ruminating and thinking about the good times. They will hit this point later. When they hit it, this is where they want to try to make a comeback. And if you're not strong enough, you will fall for it. I'm here to strengthen you guys. And if you need extra help, book a one-on-one call with me to strengthen you and make sure that you don't fall for this trap. Because this is a trap. Number 5, they realize they lost someone valuable. When they see you're growing, healing, or becoming even more confident, it will trigger regret and FOMO, fear of missing out, especially if they notice that you moved on or have other romantic interests. Now, I don't want you to go into a romantic relationship right now, but I do want you to start living your life, get new hobbies, work on yourself, grow, go to the gym, eat right, drop all the vices. If you drink, stop drinking, smoking, stop smoking, pornography, stop watching. Do all the things that elevate you and bring you power instead of taking away from your power. And when you do that, you will exude a different type of aura. They will feel it, and this is what will draw them back like a moth to a flame. But this doesn't mean that you need to take them back. It means that you moved on, and it means that now you don't take BS from no one else. And that is it. As simple as that. Number 6, last but not least, the fear of being alone. They have a fear of being alone. It's very known. They tend to avoid solitude at all costs. If the new branch breaks, it's when the new branch breaks, they will return simply because they can't stand being single. They can't. It's very hard for them. And I know it's hard for you too. But you're forced to be alone and your heart is closed. You don't want to be with no one else. And you're actually forced to heal. This is why you're still here. But they chose differently. They chose the easy route, as we say. It's not actually easy, it's harder in the long term. But they wanted immediate gratification and immediate relief from the pain that was caused by your breakup. That's not healthy. And this is why they will perpetuate the same type of behaviors, because they will not change. In order for a change to occur in a person's life, they need to experience a great amount of pain. The pain perpetuates actual change, the pain that you're feeling. And this is why I don't want to take away all of the pain that you're feeling. I know that my videos bring you ease to your mind, which is wonderful, but I want you to use the pain and alchemize it into power. Heal correctly. Like I said, get the program, work on yourself, become better and not bitter. Something important that I want to leave you off with. When they come back, it's almost always about what they need right now. It's not about you, not because they've changed or grown. Without deep personal work, the cycle will repeat. So when they come back, it's not because they missed you or loved you. It's because it's their need right now. And more often than not, I would say even pretty much 100% of the cases, it's physical. They don't really miss your spirit, who you are as a person. They already proved that they are being controlled by lust. And whenever a relationship is built on lust, it will be lost. If your relationship was physical and you had sex before marriage and all that, it's one of the reasons. And now they're just hooking up with someone else because lust controls them. So get closer to the Lord. Do the work that is necessary for you to do to heal. I'm here to help you get the intellectual realizations and give meaning and purpose for your pain. And in your journey, you will find the Lord again. And I'm not here to preach anything to you. I just want to guide you because I know what I've been through, what hundreds and thousands of my clients been through, where they are now. It's just night and day. And I want this for you as well. Take it at your own pace, in your own pace, but make sure that first things first, you get these intellectual realizations. Make sure that you're grounded and you made up your mind that you're not going to take them back because you already know all the implications of taking them back and what's going to happen if you do. and then just move on with your life. And I'm here to help you with your next relationship, with your current breakup, with everything that you need, my friend. With that said, may God bless you on your healing journey. I love you so much, and I will see you again in the next one.